Today, I'm going to show you how to use an air compressor from start to finish, even if you've never used one before. The first step is plugging in the air compressor into a standard electrical outlet. And before turning it on, make sure the tank drain valve is closed. If it's left open, the compressor won't be able to build pressure. Once it's closed, go ahead and turn the air compressor on. While the tank is filling, you'll need two things: a tire inflator and a tire pressure gauge. These are our two pressure gauges. The left gauge shows the pressure inside the air tank, and the right gauge shows the pressure going through the air hose. Now just connect the tire inflator to the end of the air hose using the quick connect fitting. Before adding any air, I used a tire pressure gauge to check where I was starting. The tire was reading right around 40 psi. This side goes to the tire valve to check your psi, and the back has a built-in air release valve so you can let a little air out in case you overinflate your tire. Alright, now let's put it to the test. This tire was reading about 30 psi, and it needs 36. So I connected the tire inflator to the valve stem and added the air until it reached the recommended tire pressure. After that, I checked it one more time with the tire pressure gauge, and it was right around 36 psi, right where it should be. Once you're finished, turn the air compressor off and open the tank valve to release the remaining air. This prevents moisture from building up inside the tank over time. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.